Welcome to Trendy Vibes, your ultimate guide for 2024 home decor trends. Are you ready to transform your living space into a haven of style and comfort? This year, we're diving into the top trends that are making waves in the world of interior design. Whether you lean towards minimalism or love making bold statements, there's something here for everyone. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore the future of home decor together. The cool greys of yesteryear are stepping aside, making way for warm neutrals and earthy tones. Think shades of beige, terracotta, and muted olive. These colors create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for any season. Imagine a living room adorned with linen curtains, clay vases, and wooden furniture. Pro tip: pair these tones with natural textures like wood or stone to complete the look. This trend is all about creating a warm, welcoming space that feels like home. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's a way of life. In 2024, eco-friendly design takes center stage with upcycled furniture, decor made from recycled materials, and the incorporation of indoor plants. Picture recycled furniture, vibrant greenery, and items crafted from sustainable materials like bamboo and cork. Not only does this look fantastic, but it's also beneficial for the planet. Embrace this trend to create a stylish, responsible home that reflects your values. For those who love to make a statement, bold color accents are the way to go. This trend is all about adding a pop of personality to your space with vibrant hues like deep blue, magenta, or tangerine. Imagine jewel-toned pillows, vases, or art pieces against neutral backdrops. Use these colors sparingly on throw pillows, artwork, or a statement chair to avoid overwhelming the room. This approach allows you to express your personality while maintaining a balanced aesthetic. Lighting isn't just functional, it's a statement piece. In 2024, we're witnessing a surge in sculptural and oversized lighting. Whether it's a bold pendant light over the dining table or an artistic floor lamp, statement lighting can completely transform the vibe of your space. Picture unique pendant lights, sculptural floor lamps, and vintage chandeliers in modern settings. These pieces serve as functional art, adding both illumination and intrigue to any room. Biophilic design is all about bringing nature indoors. Think large indoor plants, natural light, and even water elements. This trend not only looks stunning, but has been proven to boost your mood and productivity. Imagine spaces filled with indoor plants, vertical gardens, and natural light streaming through large windows. Incorporating elements like water features can further enhance the calming, nature-inspired ambience. Embrace this trend to create a serene, rejuvenating environment. And here's the best part: you don't need a massive budget to stay on trend. Try these hacks. DIY your own art, shop thrift stores for unique finds, or swap out small items like cushions or throws for a fresh look. Before and after shots of transformed spaces show how simple changes can make a big impact. Remember, it's all about expressing your style and creativity without breaking the bank. Which trend are you most excited to try in your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more decor inspiration. Imagine a cozy living space with warm neutrals, statement lighting, and lush plants. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 2024's top decor trends. See you next time, and happy decorating.